Hey everyone, this is Karan back with another quick unboxing video. Why am I doing this video from the discomfort of my car rather than the comfort of my home studio is because number one, I really want to wear this watch, and number two, I've been waiting for this for a long time, and right before I was just about to head to work, the postman dropped this off. Also bear with me because I'm gonna be holding the camera from one hand and doing the unboxing with one hand. So let me quickly show you the model number. The model number is GMW-B5000G-2DR, which means this is one of the steel G-Shock models, and I have the silver steel edition, and it's one of my most frequently worn watches. It gets the most wrist time. It's because it's ruggedly functional. The steel editions give the square G-Shock a more classy angle. You know, it becomes an everyday watch. It can be worn to, it can even be paired up or down. You can wear it with a suit. You could wear it with t-shirts and shorts. So, you know, it's a very versatile watch, the whole series in fact. And they have a black edition, which I really like, which I really wanted. They also have a gold edition, which I found too blingy, but really cool nonetheless. Then they came out with a titanium camo edition. They're also coming out with the titanium blue camo edition. There's another steel Tron edition, as people like to call it popularly. There is also a $70,000 watch which is made out of pure 18 karat gold. So without wasting much time, let me quickly unbox this. Now, just remember doing it one-handed, so just bear with me. Warranty information, user manual, tags and whatnot. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let me put that away. Right. Okay, so if you can make out through the plastic, it's right. So it's the blue steel G-Shock. I really like the blue steel. I mean, it's one of the better blues I've seen on a watch case. Even the keeper is blue there, so that's pretty nice. The most of the original editions came on a steel bracelet of matching color, but the blue edition comes on a rubber strap. So these new rubber straps are really cool, really supple and soft, rather than the hard resin straps from yesteryears. So I really like this watch. I think I'm gonna get a blue bracelet off of AliExpress and kind of pair it with this, so it'll make it a complete set. Also, here is the wrist shot that I took after this video and plugged it back in. So please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.